And good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mr. BKSS Chief Damon Latham, and this is a severe weather update for today, Sunday, May 5th, 2024. Taking a look at the latest that we have for you on that severe weather outbreak possible going into this week. Taking a look at all the latest information that's been given to us by the Storm Prediction Center, and also what we have looked at on models as well. Starting out here, let's take a look at our watch and warning map across the country. We have those flood watches and advisories down in Oklahoma and Texas. Severe thunderstorm watch down in South Texas again today. That's for a small slight risk. It's down in South Texas today. Take a look at local weather observations here in Cadiz. It was 77 degrees, dew point 66.3. Wind was west-northwest at 1 mile an hour. Humidity 69.9% and 0.00 inches of rainfall since 12 a.m. Take a look at other temperatures around the region. Murray at 78, Benton 78, Paducah 78, Princeton at 77, Clarksville, Tennessee at 79, and Dover, Tennessee at 78 degrees. Taking a look at the Day 1 SPC outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Taking a look, they have issued a Level 1 marginal risk that does cover portions of West Kentucky here. I would say about the Murray area west up to Paducah, covering at Level 1 marginal risk. That's from a little disturbance that's going to pass through later this afternoon and evening. They could spark a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings or two. Taking a look at the Weather Prediction Center excessive rainfall Day 1 outlook for today, May 5th. Level 1 marginal risk, that's covering just about all of West Kentucky here and pushing over into our Tennessee counties. That's just because of that disturbance that will push through later this afternoon and evening. Take a look at what we think as far as the risk for this afternoon and evening. Very low end damaging wind threat. Very, very low, but not zero tornado threat. I think if it is going to be a tornado warning or two, it might be down in the Tennessee area, west of our Tennessee counties. So heads up there, but I don't think it's going to be that big of a deal. Flash flooding, low to medium there for that potential for flash flooding risk, the marginal risk issued from the Weather Prediction Center. Take a look at our Day 2 outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. Monday, May 6, 2024. Marginal risk added for West Kentucky here for your Day 2. Big enhanced and slight risk with a Level 4 moderate risk now added for portions of Oklahoma there and up into Kansas. Another possible tornado outbreak over there for your Monday. For here, Level 1 marginal risk. What we think from Monday is going to be a low-end damaging wind threat and potential for possible flash flooding. Jumping over into our Day 3, Tuesday, May 7th, 2024, big slight risk covering all the SWKSS region. We're right dead in the middle of the bullseye there. That's extending back down into Arkansas, back up into Indiana and Ohio. Whoops, went too far there. Weather Prediction Center, excessive rainfall for Day 3, Tuesday, May 7th, 2024. Marginal risk for just about all of Kentucky included in that. This will be for a system for your Tuesday, expecting possibility of thunderstorms early in the morning or mid-morning on Tuesday. A line of storms could possibly have some thunderstorms during the day that could approach severe limits as well. Then we jump into our Day 4, Wednesday, May 9th, 2024. Huge slight risk, Level 2, covering all of Kentucky, Tennessee, back down through all of Arkansas, going down into Texas, extending through Missouri, Indiana, Ohio, all covered in a Level 2 slight risk on Wednesday, May 9th. For here, I think it's all going to depend on if we have rain on Wednesday morning. If we do not have rain Wednesday morning, then our severe risk will go up quite a bit. That would support the possibility of supercell thunderstorms to form in the afternoon and evening hours. that could pose a decent tornado threat if that was to come about. However, is something that we're keeping a very close eye on for your Wednesday. Weather Prediction Center excessive rainfall day 4 outlook Wednesday, May 8th, 2024. Big slight level 2 risk for excessive rainfall covering all of our area, extending pretty much in the middle of that level 2 slight risk for severe thunderstorms. Take a look at the storm planning graphic from SWKSS, severe weather awareness. A few days before the storms, we need to be pulling out that family disaster supply kit, get it ready, know where your safe place is going to be, and make sure your family has communications plan. Day before the storms, adjust plans as needed. Make sure your phone is charged and can get those warnings. Make sure your shelter is ready and cleaned out. The day of the storms, remind the family communications plan. Know where to get to safety from wherever they are. And when a warning is issued, take action as soon as possible. Brand new, hot off the press, 8 to 14 day outlook now from May 12th through the May the 18th. Issued today, yesterday, May 4th, I'm sorry. Below average temperatures across much of the heartland here in the eastern U.S. Above average temperatures back out to the west. Only above average temperatures on the east side of the U.S. It's going to be down in South Florida. 8 to 14 day, May 12th through the 18th. Outlook for precipitation below average or near normal. Below average here in West Kentucky, extending back up north and to the west. Center of the country, good portion there, near normal. Above average to the south. Again, we do want to remind everyone SWKSS will be out of service May 18th through the 24th, 2024. As always, we encourage you to follow other weather sources that you feel comfortable following, especially while we are out of service during that time frame. And with that said, that is all I have for your severe weather update for today. Well, again, we're keeping a close watch on all of this and how it all plays out, and we'll have another severe weather update tomorrow morning, detailing hopefully a little bit more in-depth forecast than we gave you today. So thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe, pass this along to family and friends, and stay weather aware as we go into this coming week. With severe weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. With our underground reports out in the storm with SWKSS trained weather spotters on Facebook Lives. To our severe weather update videos, we keep you informed. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings. A severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements and possible warnings. By following media outlets or internet sources or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, you should take action and move to a basement or lowest floor or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area if possible. If not, kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area as best as possible. This should also be done in an interior room, lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no shelter nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch, covering your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. How can you be ready for severe weather to hit the SWKSS region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries, first aid kit, Have a family in medicines and special needs ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And have all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky Storm Spotters cover 17 counties in western Kentucky and 2 counties in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm.